Hello everyone, welcome to your GK class. This is your chapter 4, which is Knowledge Bank. So let's get started. So we will be starting with the first one, okay? This is useful abbreviations, okay? So these are abbreviations that have been given and you have to match them. First of all, you have to write the alphabets related to them, and here you have to write the correct answer, okay? Like IAS stands for Indian Administrative Service, okay? That is E. So here you have to write E, and here you have to write whole full form, okay? So similarly, these are the exams, okay? These are the competitive exams which are related to different fields, okay? And here G GATE, that is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, and third one is GMAT, that is Graduate Management Admission Test, Indian Police Service, PSC, Public Service Commission, okay? NET, that is a National Eligibility Test, SAT, that is Scholastic Aptitude Test, CPMT, that is Combined Pre-Medical Test, AIEEE, that is All India Engineering Entrance Examination. Alright, so these are another full forms, and here it is given that IAS exam consists of three stages, and that is prelims, mains, and interview. So this is it. Let's move on to second, that is a recycling of waste. So here, okay, here you can see recycling of waste. So waste is some waste everybody is aware about. Now recycling of that, okay, that will be that we will be studying. So it is called composting. Composting is the natural way of recycling waste, okay? So natural way is when we use the natural methods to recycle it, okay? So the improper handling of waste can lead to environmental pollution. So if we throw our waste here and there, then it can lead to environmental pollution. Composting keeps the environmental clean, okay? So it keeps the environment clean. Now here you can see is the purposeful biodegradation of organic matter performed by, this is performed by microorganisms, okay? So for alright, so it reduces waste, it kills harmful pathogens, it eliminates foul smell, making the soil fertile. It makes the soil fertile. So composting is performed by two ways, okay? There are two methods, two types. One is anaerobic composting, okay? Another is aerobic composting, okay? So anaerobic is, that is the composting, okay, which is done in the absence of air. So aerobic is air, okay, and anaerobic is absence of air. So next one is aerobic, which is done in the presence of air, okay? So here you can see, first of all, in anaerobic composting, what you do, you make a pit in the cool shady corner, okay? So you make a pit is a gadda, okay? And then you put your waste every day there, okay? You then sparkle water over it, okay? Sprinkle water on the waste, then you thickly seal it with soil and cover, and you then um, cover it with soil, and then at last the compost is ready after a few days. So what happened here, it was performed in the absence of air, okay, because you sealed it. So after sealing it, there is no presence of air, that's why it is anaerobic. All right, next one is aerobic, which is done in the presence of air. That is, you make a pit, okay, then what you do is cover the base of pit with dry leaves. So then you put in at the base of the that pit, you put some dry leaves. Now put biodegradable waste and cover with a layer of soil. So then you put the waste inside it, and now you cover it with soil, okay, a layer of soil. Now you sprinkle water over it. Next, regularly turn the waste upside down with a shovel. So you take the shovel, you can look in the image, okay? This instrument is called shovel. So you always turn the waste upside down, that is ऊपर नीचे करना है उस waste को. Next, the color of the waste changes when the compost is ready. So at last, the color of the when you do this upsiding down of the waste, then the color changes, and when the color changes of the waste, that is when the composting has been done, okay? So this one, so for this this is your question. Okay, at the end of this video I'll explain you what you have to do. So let's move on to our third page, which is being in business. So these are the business personalities we are going to study about. Okay, so first one is, he is an Indian entrepreneur, founded an organization called Microfinance. So he founded the organization Microfinance in 1997 to give microloans. What are microloans? The loans which are given to those section of the society which are poor. Okay, ऐसे लोगों को जो poor होते हैं. So this particular person made this policy for poor women in impoverished areas of India. So who is he? So he is Vikram Akula. Okay, that is here Vikram Akula. Next one is CEO of HSBC Bank. Okay, that is Hong Kong Shanghai Bank of China. Okay, sorry, not of China, it is Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation Bank in India. Okay, so she is the first Indian woman to graduate from the Harvard Business School. So she was the first woman to graduate from Harvard Business School, and her name is Naina Lal Kidwai. Okay, Naina Lal Kidwai. Next is the president of CE and CEO till 6 September 2011 of Yahoo. So she was the president and CEO of Yahoo till September 2011. One of the most popular. So Yahoo, everyone knows that it is a global internet service company. So who is she? She is Carol Bartz. Okay, she's Carol Bartz. Next is American retail magnate who founded Walmart Stores Inc. and developed it into the largest retail sales chain in the United States. So he was the founder of Walmart. Okay, and what is his name? He is Samuel Walton. Okay, next is, he founded Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industry was founded by, everyone knows, that is Dhirubhai Ambani. Okay, next is Indian businessman who transformed Delhi Land and Finance Limited into one of India's largest real estate development firms. He played a lead role in transforming Gurgaon into an outsourcing hub. So he transformed Gurgaon in a big outsourcing hub. So where business out business was performed. Okay, so who is he? He is Kushal Pal Singh. Okay, Kushal Pal Singh. Next is co-founder of Apple Inc. and a pioneer of the co-founder of Apple Inc. was Stephen Paul. Okay, he is also known by his famous name Steve Jobs. Okay, and his full name is Stephen Paul Jobs. So here it is written Stephen Paul. Next is, he is the chairman of the Tata Group of the Tata Nano is the brainchild. Okay, so he is the chairman of Tata Groups and his name is Ratan Tata. Okay, next is next she is the chairwoman and CEO of PepsiCo, is the world's largest food and beverage company. So this PepsiCo is the world's food and beverage company. Okay, so she is Indra Nui. Okay, next is the managing director CEO of ICICI Bank, India's first private bank and the second largest bank in the country. So she is Chanda Kochhar. Okay, let's see the last page for today, which is different currencies. Okay, so this one is your homework. You have to do this homework. So a currency, everyone knows that every country deals in some whenever they have to deal in money, they deal in some currency. Like for India it is rupee. Okay, so this one you have to do for homework. So let's see what is your classwork and homework for today. For classwork you have to do useful abbreviations in your book. So useful abbreviations was this one. Okay, you have to do this in your book, whole page. All right, and then second is recycling of waste question in your fair notebook. So what was the question of recycling? This is, what is composting, what are the types of composting? So you have to do this one. Okay, so what is composting and what are the types of composting? Next, your for homework, being in business in your fair notebook. So you have to do this one in your fair notebook. Okay. Next, different currencies in your book, and this in your book. Okay. So that's all for this class. Thank you and have a nice day.